Hello everyone, I am going to explain you the conditional statement in C programming language. We use conditional statement to make a decision making to make sure that the statement inside if, else, or else are executed or not. Let me give you an example. For example, I have variable integer a and I give it equal to 2. And then I create the conditional statement if a bigger than 0, and then here I print the value is positive, and then I use else here, else a smaller than 0, print the value is negative. You baseline and then I use L F the value is 0. You see, here I use is, else, and L. Let me run the code. The value is positive. Why it's print the value is positive? Because a is equal to 2. And then it check the condition here. A is the block of condition that you can use. Normally you use operator to give the condition. For example, a bigger than 0, a equal to 2. 2 is bigger than 0 or not? It's true. If the conditional is true, it will work the statement inside the conditional. And then it print the value is positive. For example, I give a to -5 and then run it. The value is negative. Why the value is negative? First, a equal to -5, and it will check this condition. A -5 bigger than 0 or not? It fall here. When it fall here, this statement doesn't work, and then it will check the another statement below this statement. If a equal to -5, -5 is smaller than 0 or not? -5 is smaller than 0 is true. So if the condition here is true, and then it will print the message the value is negative. So let me give a to 0 and then run it again. You see the value is 0. Why it print the value is 0? Because first a equal to 0, and then it check the condition here, a bigger than 0 or not. Here is a is not bigger than 0, so here is false. When the condition is false, it doesn't execute this statement, and then it check the condition here. A is smaller than 0 or not. A is 0, 0 not smaller than 0. So the statement inside the else condition is not work, and then it will work L. L, it means that if the condition above L doesn't work, L will work. So it print the value is 0. Here we call one conditional statement. In one conditional statement, it can have one if, it can have many else, and it can have only one L. So if you create if here, for example, is A equal to 0, here, if you create if here is the new conditional statement. So we have two conditional statements here, this one and this one. So I delete it. So in the block we have only one conditional statement. If I want to create more condition, I can create here by using else, because we can use many else in one conditional statement. Let me create more else condition here. If I use parentheses and then I open the curly bracket and then close it. Inside the parentheses, I can set the condition by using operator. For example, I set the condition here by I give A smaller than 0. I use operator and A smaller than -2. And then I print here the value is negative and smaller than -2. And then I set the value to -5. Let me run it. You see, it worked here. The value is negative and smaller than -2. Why it's work here? You see, integer A is equal to -5, and then it checks the condition here. Is true or false. -5 bigger than 0 is false, so this statement doesn't work. And then it checks the condition here. -5 is smaller than 0 is true. -5 smaller than -2 is true. True and true is true. So the condition inside the else is true. When the condition is true, it will or execute the statement inside the condition. That's why it print the message. So inside the condition, you can create many, or you can write many statements. For example, I can separate this printf to two statements like this. Printf and smaller than -2, and I delete the code here. It still output the same result. Let me print it. You see, the value is negative and it's smaller than -2. Here is two statements, and you can put many statements inside the condition if, and else. Let me create one more example. For example, I have age. I give age equal to 20, and I create new condition, null statement here. If age bigger than or equal to 18, then I print here you can vote, and then I use else, print you can vote, because normally the age is smaller than 18, people couldn't vote. Here in the for the else condition, we don't use conditional. Why we don't use conditional? Because if all condition about it doesn't work, this one will work. That's why we don't use conditional here. So in the code, I have two conditional statements. One conditional statement is here, and another one conditional statement is here. Let me run it. The value is negative and it's smaller than -2. You can vote. Output like this. Let's see. First a equal to -5, and the check condition is false, it doesn't work. This condition is true, it work here. And then it stop check the condition, and then it start the new condition here. Start the new condition here, it will check the x equal to 20. Age 20 bigger than or equal to 18 or not. It is true. When it's true, it will print this condition. For example, I give age 16, and then let me run it again. Here, the value is negative, it's smaller than -2, and you can't vote because age is 16, and then I check the condition here. Age is 16. 16 is bigger than or equal to 18 or not. It's not, so the condition is false, and then it will work else. If the statement about else false, else will true, so it will work here. You see, you can vote. I also can create another statement inside the condition if else or if or else. For example, I make an operator here. I make an operator by I give age equal to age plus 5. Age equal to age plus 5. And then let me run it. You see here, you can vote. Why it works like this? First, a equal to -5, and then it check the condition here. True or false? It false, it doesn't work, and then it check the condition here. It's true. The condition is true. When the condition is true, it works the statement inside the condition. It print the value is negative. The value is negative, and then it print and it's smaller than -2, and it's smaller than -2, and then it work this statement, it process this statement by give age equal to age plus 5. 8 equal to 16. 16 plus 5 equal to 21. So 8 equal to 21. After that, it skips the condition and then it works for the condition. 21. 8 equal to 21. Here, 8 equal to here, 8 equal to 21. So 21 is bigger than or equal to 18 or not? It's true. It's true here. So this statement works. You can vote.